Hi everyone, today on Cooking Up Love, we are kicking off December with 25 of our favorite holiday cookie recipes. We'll be posting recipes every day. Make sure you watch till the end because we've got a special holiday surprise for you. Our raspberry jam thumbprints are sugar crusted butter cookies with a raspberry jam filling that's spiked with a rich almond extract. Here's everything you'll need to make them: sugar, flour, salt, unsalted butter, baking powder, vanilla, and egg, raspberry jam, and almond extract. I've listed the ingredients and the recipe in the description box below. Now let me show you how we make these. First, set out your butter ahead of time to soften. In a large bowl, measure out 1 3/4 cup of flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. And this next part is optional. You know how you can sometimes bite into a cookie and taste the salt? I like to use a mortar and pestle to crush up the kosher salt a bit, and this will make it easier to distribute the granules more evenly in the batter. Give the dry ingredients a whisk to mix it all together and then set this aside. Then in another large bowl, add 14 tablespoons of softened butter. Add 2/3 a cup of white granulated sugar and beat this with a hand or a stand mixer for about 3 minutes, stopping to scrape down the sides of the bowl. The mixture will be light yellow and fluffy. Next, add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half teaspoon of almond extract. Beat on medium speed to combine. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and add about 1/3 of the dry ingredients. Beat slowly until combined, and then add another 1/3 of the dry ingredients and beat on low to incorporate the flour. Then add the rest of the dry ingredients and beat just until it's all combined. Scrape the batter out of the beaters and scrape the bowl down. Next, measure out about 1/4 cup of raspberry jam. Add a generous 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract and mix this together. You could use other jams instead, like apricot, fig, lemon curd. Share your favorites in the comments. I'd love to see them. Next, scoop out a pinch of dough that will make about a 1-inch ball and roll this between your hands. Roll the ball into the white granulated sugar and place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. These will spread out a little while baking, so make sure your cookies are about 2 inches apart. And I'm sorry this part of the video is a little blurry. My focus was off, but you should be able to get the picture. Use your thumb or a 1/4 teaspoon measuring scoop to make an indent in each cookie, but don't make it too deep. Be careful not to break through the bottom of the cookie or the jam will leak out as it bakes. Fill each indent with about a 1/4 teaspoon of jam. Put them in the fridge to chill for about an hour. And here's a quick peek at some of the cookies you'll find in our holiday cookie special, where we're sharing 25 of our favorite holiday cookie recipes. We're posting recipes each day. Wait till the end for our special holiday gift to you. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and bake the chilled cookies just until the edges are golden. For me, this was about 10 to 12 minutes. Then cool the cookies on the baking sheets for 5 minutes, and then move them to a wire rack to finish cooling. Store the cookies in a tightly sealed container for up to 5 days. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I've linked the playlist for all of our holiday cookies here and in the description. Remember, we're adding more recipes every day. Watch all 25, share your favorites, and be sure to collect your holiday gift when we post the last one. Thank you so much for your support this year, and I'll see you in the next video.